This is not just a car. This is a forgotten legend. The world's smallest production car, the iconic Peel P50. At first glance, it looks almost like a toy, something you'd expect to see in a museum, not abandoned and rusting away. But what you're about to witness is something incredible, a full transformation from scrap to perfection. When we first found this tiny machine, it was barely recognizable. Covered in rust, worn out by time, and completely lifeless. The paint had faded, the metal was corroded, and every part told a story of neglect. Most people would have walked away, but not us. Because sometimes, the smallest things carry the biggest stories. The Peel P50 was originally built in the 1960s, designed to be simple, compact, and efficient. With just one door, one seat, and 3 wheels, it holds a unique place in automotive history. It's not just small, it's iconic. So, we started the journey. Step 1. Complete disassembly. Every nut, every bolt, every fragile piece was carefully removed. What looked like junk slowly began to reveal its true structure. The frame underneath, weak, rusty, but still holding on. It was a challenge, but challenges are what make restorations worth it. Next came the cleaning and rust removal. Layer by layer, the years of damage were stripped away. Sanding, polishing, repairing, bringing life back into metal that had almost given up. This is where patience matters the most. Because restoration isn't just work, it's art. Then came the rebuild. The engine, small but powerful for its size, had to be completely restored. Every component checked, repaired, or replaced. Slowly, the heart of this tiny car started beating again. And then, the magic moment. The paint job. A fresh, glossy finish that brought the Peel P50 back to life. From dull and rusty to bright and eye-catching, a transformation that feels almost unreal. Reassembling everything was like putting together a masterpiece. Each part had its place. Each detail mattered. And finally, the moment we were waiting for. The first start. A small engine sound, but a huge victory. After years of silence, this tiny legend roared back to life, proving that no matter how abandoned something is, it can always be reborn. This restoration is more than just fixing a car. It's about passion. It's about patience. It's about seeing potential where others see waste. Because in a world full of big, powerful machines, sometimes the smallest one makes the biggest impact. And today, the Peel P50 is no longer forgotten. It's restored. It's alive. And it's ready to amaze the world.
It's so hard, I ain't gotta pay. I can make that love great. It's so hard, I ain't gotta pay. I can make that love great. It's so hard, I ain't gotta pay. I can make that love great. It's so hard, I ain't gotta